challenging negative self-talk and replacing it with positive affirmation. Negative self-talk can significantly impact self-esteem and hinder the development of a positive self-image. Challenging and transforming negative self-talk into positive affirmations is a powerful technique for building a more positive self-image. By exploring this subtopic, individuals can learn strategies to overcome self-defeating thoughts and cultivate a more nurturing and empowering inner dialogue. Let's go to number 1. Understanding negative self-talk. Negative self-talk refers to the internal dialogue characterized by self-critical, self-depreciating, or pessimistic thoughts. It can involve thoughts such as, I'm not good enough, I always mess things up, I'll never succeed. Negative self-talk is often driven by self-doubt, fear, past experiences, or societal influences. It diminishes self-esteem, reinforces self-limiting belief, and perpetuates a negative self-image. Number 2, becoming aware of negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is developing awareness of these automatic negative thoughts. Paying attention to one's inner dialogue and identifying patterns of self-criticism and self-doubt is crucial. By recognizing negative self-talk, individuals can interrupt the cycle and create a space for positive change. Number 3, questioning the validity of negative thoughts. It is essential to question the validity and accuracy of these thoughts. Often, negative thoughts are distorted or exaggerated, and they do not reflect objective reality. By challenging negative thoughts, individuals can gain perspective and challenge their self-defeating beliefs. Asking questions such as, is this thought based on evidence? Or what evidence contradicts these thoughts can help to challenge and reframe negative thinking. Number 4, reframing and rationalizing negative thoughts. This involves consciously shifting one's perspective and looking for alternative, more balanced interpretation. Instead of automatically accepting negative thoughts as truths, individuals can actively seek evidence that contradicts negative belief and find more realistic and compassionate interpretations of situations. Rationalizing negative thoughts involves replacing irrational or distorted thinking patterns with logical and rational perspective. Number 5, developing positive affirmation. Positive affirmations for building a positive self-image. Affirmations are positive statements that individuals repeat to themselves regularly. They help to reprogram the subconscious mind, challenge negative beliefs, and reinforce positive self-perception. Positive affirmations should be personalized, specific, and stated in the present tense. For example, I am worthy of love and respect. I have the ability to overcome challenges, or I am deserving of happiness and success. By challenging negative self-talk and replacing it with positive affirmations, individuals can transform their self-perception and cultivate a more positive and empowering self-image with practice, consistency, and self-compassion. Individuals can build a strong foundation of self-worth, resilience, and a positive outlook on themselves and their capabilities.